New research from Sandia National Labs shows masks and plexiglass barriers are effective in keeping people safe from airborne viruses. Using computer simulations, researchers found that large droplets and the smaller aerosol particles left behind travel at least 2 feet farther if there's no barrier compared to when there is one. The researchers were then able to apply their findings to real-world situations.
We're able to use these methods and apply them to actual protocols and procedures that were implemented as APS and other schools opened up.
The research also found social distancing and proper ventilation are also key in minimizing virus transmission.